hindi ka man marunong mag-English. You know, to tell you honestly, my English is not perfect because that's not my first language. But it's okay because language doesn't define your knowledge, doesn't define your capability. And you know what? Even my boyfriend, kahit native na niya yung English, nagkakamali pa rin siya. Meron pa nga mga term na tinatanong ko sa kanya and then hindi niya maintindihan. So like, it's normal. Inggit people, they will try to tear you down. They will try to take your confidence kasi wala sila doon. Wala silang confidence sa sarili nila. Kaya gusto nilang kunin yung anong meron sa'yo. To those people who tell something bad about you, it's because ang sad ng buhay nila. They're not happy with their lives. Kasi if happy naman sila, and then, they can only see good things. Ganun lang din yun. So kayo, pag may magsasabi sa'yo, pangit naman yan, mataba naman yan, malaki naman tiyan yan, don't mind them. Kasi your comments to other people, it's always defined who you are.